How to open multiple accounts on one computer. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So opening two Roblox account instances on one computer allows you to play on multiple accounts simultaneously. So here's how you can do it. You can simply use multiple browser and the Roblox app. So for that, open up your browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, search for roblox.com, and once you search for it, go ahead and log into your Roblox account. Now, once you're logged into your Roblox account, you can simply go ahead and start a game. Now, after that, you want to go ahead and open Roblox app in your computer. Open the Roblox app, go ahead and log in into your second account, and then start a game in the app itself. You can simply go ahead and start one game in the browser and another game in the app. That is simply how you can open multiple accounts in one computer. And that ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.